Go, 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 go. Clear this, clear this.
सर जरा आप वहाँ पे चले जाएंगे If the photographers could take it a bit easy, thank you. If we could step down to the stage.
Hope you're doing well, and I heard that you're coming to Dubai, and I'm really looking forward to having you here and seeing you. And one of my favorite Bollywood songs of yours is Oh Baby Doll, Missy. Oh Baby Doll, Missy. I really love you, and I'm excited to have you. Bye.
Sunny Deol is a great actress in terms of, I have a lot of respect for her. Because her parents, Bollywood completely did it by their autism. She's made a scene for herself. So I just want that takes a lot of effort.
Got it. We got it. All right, please clap your hands again.
Sunny, we'd like you to react to your comment.
That's cool.
Some more words, please.
Sir, please, back.
It's an honor. Thank you so much, Film Player, and Rizwan, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough.
Sir,
All the
please,
different things
5
you've
minutes
done.
only.
There you go, buddy.
Hey!
All the different things that we've done in a very short amount of time has been grand and special and amazing. And I know that it makes Daniel feel very proud and all the accomplishments that we've made together. And it also makes me feel very proud to be associated with you and everything that you've done for us. In a very short amount of time, we've done so many things together. Sorry, very emotional, but it does mean a lot for, to both of us. Very excited about this cover. Thank you. I saw the ad, and it is my first ad for Starstruck in a magazine, and I'm not going to cry, I promise, but it makes me extremely proud to see the brand that Daniel and myself and our entire team have worked so hard for, and to see my very first ad in a magazine. I mean, I grew up looking at these ads and looking at these girls and looking at all the amazing things that people do in life, and to see something that we've created in there, it's like a cherry on, on top of the sundae. So thank you so much.
We would like to sign your cover if you don't mind. All right, over here though, right over here. This side. All right, a big hand for Sunny, please. Left-handed people are very creative. Thank you, Sunny. We would love for you guys to say some words about Sunny, about.
From the time we started working with her and from the time we are, our liking has gone more and more. For two simple reasons. We have worked with many celebrities in the past. So what does a company look or a brand look with a celebrity? That the celebrity gives the proper value for the brand, and whatever the campaign we have desired, the celebrity comes in, gives the maximum. And in the Sunny case, it's not 100%, it's 200%. Whenever she has come on the stage, she's always made sure that the brand is known, the brand is very popular. Like when we opened our first launch in Kochi, the property office, it was a very good response. And in Delhi Bulls, of course, it was mind-blowing because people loved Sunny being on the stage, on the box, and also at the cricket stadium. So we are very happy. And I will also like to mention about Daniel, because Daniel is the one who actually makes it happen.
Can we see you?
Daniel,
Can everyone see you?
the combination of Sunny and Daniel is so
Please
good.
come on stage. Please, that's Daniel. You. And if you read the story, you'll know their love story and the fact that they have such a beautiful.
So proud of our association with you guys. Very happy. And happy that Sunny is on the cover. Very excited. And normally I don't go for cover launches, but in the case of Sunny, I said I'm going to come over here and be with you all. So very happy, very excited, and thank you everybody for all of you all to come over here and give this occasion such a big warm welcome. And thank you BCC for the support. Really appreciate your support also.
BCC would like to say something about the whole event. So.
Friends.
Hello people. First I like to thank Mr. Rizwan Sajan, the very beautiful Sunny Leone, Shaina ji, and all Filmfare UAE team, all media person. I hope कि आप सबको ये जगह अच्छी लगी होगी और हम नेक्स्ट टाइम इससे भी अच्छा करने का कोशिश करेंगे अरेंजमेंट्स। और बीसीसी और फिल्म फेयर का टाइप अभी एक फर्स्ट टाइम है। तो इंडिया में जब भी बॉलीवुड के बारे में सोचते हैं तो फिल्म फेयर सबसे पहले आता है। तो दुबई में भी हम फिल्म फेयर के साथ जुड़ के बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं। और आप बीसीसी में देख रहे होंगे, मैं 2 मिनट बीसीसी के लिए बोलना चाहूँगा कि इट्स अ ट्रिपल थीम कैफ़े। दुबई में जनरली आपने स्पोर्ट्स कैफ़े देखे होगा, बॉलीवुड थीम कैफे देखा होगा। इट्स अ ट्रिपल थीम कैफे, कसिनो, बॉलीवुड एंड स्पोर्ट्स थीम। और हम दुबई के चाहने वालों को, म्यूजिक लवर्स को कुछ नया देना चाहते थे और हमने जैसे वादा किया है, हर महीने यहाँ पे डिफरेंट सेलिब्रिटीज़ आते हैं, सेलिब्रिटी सिंगर आते हैं और आगे भी आते रहेंगे। हम फिल्म फेयर से जुड़ के बहुत खुश हैं। थैंक यू रिजवान साजन बन सके।
Thank you. A big hand for everybody, please.
Thank you. We can take a seat. There's one more small thing. There's a poster there which should also sign because it's going to stay in the hotel for this place forever. So that will be a memory. But we can do it a little later once it's.
Let him go out. Let him go out.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Go
much.
back. Go back.
It feels absolutely amazing to be on the cover of Filmfare. It's the first time that's happening, so I'm very excited. You see Filmfare every single month, and you see the pictures, and to be on the cover, it's amazing feeling.
And Mr. Rizwan, you have associated with Sunny from really long, as we know, from property to cricket and now on the Filmfare. As you have different verticals, you are associating with Sunny. So if you want to put in your word, what is the reason of associating with Sunny? What you really like in Sunny?
What I told on the stage, I will repeat the same thing. She is a very happy-go-lucky person, more than willing to give the do for the brand, and that is what is required for any company, any corporate. And when you hire a celebrity, the celebrity should respond in the same manner as they are expecting. And this is more than expectation we get from Sunny, and not only from Sunny, like I said, from Daniel also. The professionalism we get from him. So it's a win-win situation for both of us, and this association will continue forever, I would say.
Sunny, you want to tell any one quality you really like about Mr. Rizwan?
Well, we've been doing business together in many different things in a very short amount of time, which is amazing. But more than that, he's found and broken barriers for myself, the brand, Daniel and I, and also gone above and beyond, making it possible for me to do things I've only dreamt of.
Sunny, how you feel like the part of... One second guys, one second. No problem.
ഇങ്ങനെ സൈഡിൽ കൂടെ വന്നാൽ എടുത്തോളാം.
Rockstar will be a part of this film. How you feel like that?
I've answered this I think 3 times now, but it's very exciting, and I'm very honored and very proud to be
Your video of cheering for Delhi Bulls was going viral. We saw a lot of websites covered it. And you want to say something about how was the experience?
Well, you know, I'm extremely competitive, and I'm that person that yells and screams on the side of the stadium, wanting my team to win, and go Delhi Bulls. So it was a lot of fun. I love sports. I love
light.
Light,
Light, please.
To be a part of a team, it's a great feeling.
You have recently taken another football some stakes. So if you could share that as well.
It's a football team for IPL. I can't wait. I'm going to London. We're going to watch some matches. I love soccer. I love football. It's called soccer where I'm from. And I can't wait. Hopefully they'll allow me on the field.
Any okay.
Over here, giving all the support to Filmfare for Sunny Leone and all that you put always. Thank you very much for us, and thank you PCC for this.
Mobile se bana
Very
mere
happy
video.
about it, and hopefully we'll continue longer in the long way. Thank you.
Sorry. So many people here. That's what makes it exciting. What is your style statement, and what are your goals?
Venture into this publication thing.
Filmfare magazine we have acquired a couple of years ago, and very happy about it because everybody from the subcontinent loves this magazine because it's one of the most famous magazine of Bollywood, and who doesn't like Bollywood? So we are very happy to be associated with this magazine. Every month we launch different people, all the celebrities on the cover, and also we do some events every year. So which will keep you informed. In April we are planning to do our gala dinner. We'll keep you informed on that.
Okay, so today's event is about what?
Today's event is an exciting event because my favorite star Sunny Leone is on the cover, and luckily she is coming to unveil the cover. I mean, what better can be? Sometimes you have when sometimes people are on the cover and then they are not over here. But when Sunny Leone is in the town, she's agreed to come to unveil the cover. So this is one of the very good moments for Filmfare. And she's also very happy to be coming over here. So this is a very exciting moment. All of you all will see Sunny Leone opening the cover launch, and also talking about her journey of the Bollywood and all that.
Also, we would like to know, so you have been associated with Sunny not only here but in Kochi as well. And we are a Malayalam channel. How you want to?
If you meet Sunny Leone, you will be very happy to know she's such a bubbly person. She's full of life, always energetic, always willing to do something extra for the brand. And the fan followers which she has is unbelievable. Children of teenagers want to see her. My age people want to see her. and even the elders want to see her. So this is the fan following. I remember when she had gone to Kerala, there was a big kiosk over there, and I said when we are opening our property office in Kochi, who else can make our brand more famous? So we had Sunny Leone as for the opening of the launch, and it was a very big success. And after that success, we thought why not we also involve her in the Delhi Bulls cricket team. So we took her in the as the face of the new Delhi Bulls cricket team, and there also she made a big help to us in making Delhi Bulls very, very famous.
Thank you.
Please.
Hello.
This may not be possible without you.
Please sit down. Participant, sit down. എന്താണ്?
Which was last year, 2017, when Deepika Padukone came to relaunch the edition. And now we are also in the Arabic edition. We've celebrated more than a year. We are about 18 months in the business again. Thanks to Sir and his passion to Bollywood, which is by a round of applause for him, for the man. Okay. So in times
Alright guys, welcome. Good to see you, bro. We got that done out of the way. Alright, almost feels like a little reunion over here.